All right, come in. You guys tried to build an e-commerce website and it didn't come out the way you planned. Building an e-commerce website from scratch can be quite tough. So today I'll help you out. Today I'll be giving out free Elementor Pro templates and free e-commerce templates for your WordPress website. We are giving out free Elementor Pro templates for the Pro version of Elementor, and we're offering dozens of free Elementor kits for the free version of Elementor. And make sure to stay till the end because we have a special announcement for more templates near the end of the video. So let's check out some of these templates. Okay, so I'll first be covering the 3 free Elementor e-commerce kits that we are giving out for free on my website. Then we'll be talking about the free dozens of e-commerce kits that you can import with the free version of Elementor. Now, these kits incorporate all of the theme builder sections like the header, the footer, shop page, and single product page. So we're giving these out for free on my website. So the only really requirement here for these specific kits is you must have Elementor Pro. But scrolling down, you're gonna see that this is a really well-designed Elementor kit. And if we go to the shop page, you're gonna notice that we do have a unique shop page that we built with the actual Elementor theme builder. So here you'll see we have different categories. We have our products here on the left side. We have some banners here to incorporate some sales. And of course, if I click on one of these products right here, this is a custom product page that we built from the ground up. So that is the first kit. It is called Seamaru. The second kit we are giving out is NutraNest. Now here you'll see that we have this really cool header that we made at the top with the theme builder. Also, we have this pop-up navigational menu, and you can use this for anything. In this specific case, we just use this to showcase Instagram pictures, but you can add a menu there or a Facebook group or whatever else. Scrolling down, we have some promotional banners for products. We have some, general basic products that you can incorporate on your website. And then we have some more upsells and promotional banners to encourage sales on your e-commerce websites. Now let's take a look at the shop page here. Now this shop page is a little bit more unique. So once we scroll down, you'll see that we were offering different categories. And we did this because we want to mix it up and, add some different design and decor. Below that, we have our latest products. And then we finish this off with some promotional coupons at the bottom of the page. If we click on one of these products, you'll see that we made a very standard product page where we have these breadcrumbs, the title, the price, we have some description, and then we have the add to cart. And then we added these divider lines just to sort of give it a little bit more design. And I do want to mention for all these kits as well, we did incorporate a custom post template that we created for you automatically. So this one right here is a custom post template that we created. We have this really unique sidebar on the right side. Here we added these little banners that are basically categories, which I thought looked pretty neat. Scrolling down, we have some general content, we have the author, and then we have share this post. And then also we added this section, and then we added this other section here, which are related articles. So that is the second kit that we are giving out for free on my website, and I'll give you guys a coupon code in just a second. And the last one is Crafter Home. Now this carries more of that dark color scheme look throughout your websites. And if we go over here to our shop page, this is more of a standard, simple to use shop page. So we just have the basic products. We tried to get rid of a lot of the options and text because we just wanted to focus on the actual products. So for example, if you click on one of these products, it just takes them to a very standard, straightforward product page where people can just look at your product, add it to the cart, buy something, get out, and then you make money. Now we've also incorporated other pages like the cart, checkout, and my account. So we actually created custom pages for each of those specific pages. So for example, this is the cart page, and it does carry a unique design for this specific template kit. We also have the same thing for the checkout page, where we have this checkout page, and we've also added a little bit of CSS here to incorporate some different colors for your checkout page. And also, if you have a user logging into the My Account page, it'll actually show them a very unique custom account page, which it looks great, So we added a little bit of CSS to change the design, change the colors. So it does offer a little bit of uniqueness compared to other basic templates. So these are the 3 free e-commerce kits that we were giving out for free on my website. Now, in order to claim these kits, all you got to do is go to my website, joelwilson.com, click over here on Elementor templates, and then type in the name of the kits. So right here, this one is called Crafter Home. So over here, I'll just type in Crafter Home. Here's the kits. You'll just click on the kit. So here's the kits, and you'll just click on add to cart. Next, I'll click on view cart. And for those kits, all you gotta do for the coupon code is type in free 50. So here, free 50, you'll see we have Seamaru and Crafter Home in the carts, and we're gonna click on apply coupon. And it went from $58 to $0. So here, you'll click on proceed to checkout. You'll just put in your name and your email, scroll to the bottom, and then agree to the terms. It's up to you if you want to subscribe or not. It is up to you. We do offer some discounts for our templates sometimes. So here I'll click on place order, and voila, now we have those kits. If we scroll right here, you'll see that you can download these kits. So these are going to be a zip file. You'll just click on download. And there, now the file is downloaded. Now, if you do need help importing these kits, we have a video right here that'll show you how to do that. You're gonna do it through Elementor. So all you're gonna do is take the actual kits, you import it into Elementor, and then it'll propagate the entire kit on your website automatically. And just remember, there's 2 requirements. Number 1 is you must have Elementor Pro, so make sure to have that installed. The second one, I do recommend to have the Hello Elementor theme. The reason why is because it has a very blank look, and on most of our kits, we're using the theme builder to design all parts of the website. So make sure you have Elementor Pro and the Hello Elementor theme activated. Now, for the rest of you, yes, those free people who want free everything, right? Yes, you guys, don't worry. You know, we've all been broke before. We don't want to pay money all the time. We actually offer a WordPress theme that offers dozens of free Elementor kits that you can import on your website. So let me show you. So this is the Solace theme. Now, this is one of the newer themes to hit the markets. Now, we offer the best e-commerce kits in the industry. Yes, I said it. If any dev out there thinks your kits are better, trust me, we will crap on you. Anyways, so you can actually access this theme in the back end of WordPress, and we actually offer a huge variety of e-commerce kits that you can import on your sites. Now, the theme name is Solace, so this is the Solace theme, and we are nearing 10,000 active installs, so this theme is on the rise. Now, if you go to the back end of your WordPress website and just type in Solace, and all you got to do is install the theme and activate it in order to get those kits. Now, once you do that, over here under the Solace logo, you'll see that we offer more than 115 Elementor kits that you can import on your websites. And all you got to do is, if you want e-commerce kits, you just click on e-commerce. And then voila, here you can see you'll have access to all these free kits that you can import on your website. You are welcome. The great part too is that if you actually click on one of these kits here, you can get a quick preview of what this looks like. And as you can tell, these are really nice, simple design kits. And all you got to do is click on this color palette, and you can change the entire color palette of your websites to a variety of different colors. So make sure to check out the Solace theme. We are rolling out a pro version probably sometime in January. You're gonna see right here, we're working on the landing page, and we're gonna be offering its own theme builder with its own custom modules. It's gonna be really cool. So this will come out sometime in like January, February. Now, I'm sure many of you watching this video are thinking to yourself, you know, Daryl, these template kits are nice, but I want something really unique for my business. I want something that stands out. I want something that nobody else has. Well, me and my team are working on Elementor kits, and we're calling it the Elite Kits. So this is our first kit called Cravo. Now, I'm sure at first glance looking at this kit, this looks pretty simple, right? Well, the magic happens as soon as you start to navigate the websites. So here we have this really cool, unique effect where it reveals the image in the back of the page. Now, as the user scrolls down, they're going to be sort of introduced to more features where if they hover over the section, you're going to see it has this really unique effect where it shows an image. And as the user scrolls down, they're going to see constant new animations for a lot of these elements. Here we have this effect where we're kind of stacking these on top of each other. And you can see that, you know, each section is still, and you can see right here that this section is still on top of each other. And as the user scrolls, they just get introduced to all these really unique animations that'll make you and your business look really professional versus those really common templates that you might have seen across the internet. And then here we have this really cool looking footer. So this is one of them, and there are other pages, but I'm not gonna go through each individual one. The next one is Elementor. Now, I like this kit because of the landing page. It's really unique, right? We offered a bunch of different sections, and we have this little call to action button. And as the user scrolls down, you're gonna see that there's a lot going on. So we have this section here, we have our services, and as we keep scrolling, we have the section that just sort of pops up. So as the user scrolls down on the actual websites, it becomes very interactive. They can see different animations, different things. And again, you know, if you want a unique website, then something like this would be the best fit for you. And let's take a look here at our menu. So we've actually incorporated this really unique menu that we built from the ground up. And one of the last kits that I'll show you all before I let you all go is the arrow kits. Now, when I hover over these words right here, you're gonna see that it incorporates this design like something's behind the letters, which is really cool. And if we try to scroll down, it's going to pop up these images right here. And this can be anything. This can be projects, portfolios, or past work that you've done. So this makes it more of an interactive experience for your customers and not so simple and plain, And I think going into 2026, you're gonna see a lot more websites like this. So what we've done here is we thought of really clever ideas to incorporate, different ways on how to make this more social, how to make it more interactive for the customer, so it's not so boring and simple. So as you can tell, there is a lot of things here on this website that looks nice. And one of the last ones is called Kragen, but I'm not gonna show you the rest of this website because we're just not done with it. If you want access to the Solace theme or the kits, I will put all those in the video description. And if you forgot the coupon code, it's free 50. All right, see you later.